Hello guys, it is your girl Prissy and welcome back for another video. Now in today's video, we are trying out the brush curls yet again. They have a chokehold on me, okay? I love the brush curls so much. And I'm also incorporating my finger coils, especially around the sides and back of my hair. So if you guys are interested in today's tutorial, then just keep watching. Alright guys, so we are starting off with about 2-week-old hair, and last night I didn't even wear my bonnet to bed, so it is looking really dusty. So what I'm gonna do is add a semi-permanent rinse to my hair. Now I know I need to refresh my color, especially at the roots of my hair, but I am just not in the mood for all that today. But I thought adding a rinse on top of what I already have will just amp up my color until I'm ready to, permanently get that situation under control. So the color that I'm gonna be using today is Scarlet, and it is by the brand Kiss Colors and Care. You guys may have seen me use this color before, so this is what we're gonna do today. Like I said, my hair is about 2 weeks old, so it definitely needs to be detangled before I start adding any colors. So for detangling, I'm going to use my water bottle, which is just water. I also have a pick here, and I'm going to use my detangling brush. Now I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the Kiss Colors and Care semi-permanent color. Oh, but first I need to go ahead and add some type of Vaseline around the perimeter of my hair. So that's what I'm gonna do first, so that I don't have any staining on my neck or ears or anything like that. I'm also recording IG Reel or TikTok. Also gonna use it for Facebook and a YouTube short. So I'm doing that as well as recording this YouTube tutorial for you guys. So let me go ahead and get all of the color on my hair, and I'll check back in with you guys as soon as everything is applied. All right guys, got the color all in. Now I'm just gonna apply my processing cap and let it sit for about, I think the bottle says 25 minutes, up to 25 minutes. So I'm gonna go the entire 25 minutes on this. So I'll check in with you guys once I wash the semi-permanent color from my hair. All right, so I am back. I have washed and conditioned my hair. Now let's jump into the styling portion. The next thing I'm gonna do is get rid of this widow's peak. I don't know about y'all, but mine grows so fast, and I always just go ahead and get rid of that. So I just use an eyebrow shaper to do it. I use this specifically for my widow's peak, and once I've used it a few times, I go ahead and get rid of it and get another one. Let's go ahead and shape this off. All right, so now that our hair is clean, we're getting ready to jump into the styling portion. I'm going to be using a product by Aunt Jackie's. Y'all already know this is like one of my favorite brands to use for my hair. It does so good. This product is the Coconut Curling Jelly, and I have used this one before. I'm gonna use this as well as the Cantu Leave-In Conditioning Mist. I absolutely love this conditioner, as you could tell from how much is gone right now. And you also know that I'm gonna use some type of oil, because I always use that too. The oil that I'm gonna be using is just some jojoba oil, peppermint oil, olive oil, Jamaican black castor oil. I just have a few different oils in this bottle that I love to apply to my scalp especially. I went ahead and bought a new comb too because I can always use a rat tail comb. So let me go ahead and separate the shorter areas of my hair from the longer sections, and I'll be right back. All right, so now my hair has been separated. I'm gonna go in with the Cantu conditioner and just add that for some moisture. Next, I'm gonna go in with my sponge. You guys know I always use a sponge as well. I'm gonna take my detangling brush and just detangle this section and further work that product into my hair. So this section right here is just a little bit longer than I want to sponge up. So I'm gonna separate that and just finger coil this longer section. See how long that is? Entirely too long for a sponge. If I do use a sponge in this area, my curls are gonna be like really clumpy and thick, and I really don't like that. You guys are interested in a finger coil tutorial, you already know that I have one available. Actually, I have like 2 or 3 available on my channel, so I will link my playlist right above in the cards for you guys. Alright guys, I am back and I've already did some finger coils and also my sponge on my sides and in the back. And I went ahead and separated another little section. So again, I'm just gonna repeat the process. I'm going to actually wet it this time because it has dried out a little bit. So just a little bit of water. Also gonna add my conditioner again, adding that to each section. And then back in with my gel. And I'm just gonna continue repeating that process on this section of my hair. And once we get to the top, we're gonna do those infamous brush curls. They are so easy. Let me know down in the comment section below, have you gotten a detangling brush yet or a dimming brush yet? If you have, let me know down in the comments and let me know if you're liking it and if it makes your styling process any easier. So like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and add that gel to this section of my hair. Run your fingers through that section just to make sure it's detangled. And you guys know I also use my detangling brush to further work that product into my hair. Look at that, it's just running through so smooth. In this section, I could totally leave my brush curls right here, but I do like this, just this little area right here, like super defined. So I always do the finger coils around this entire section. You know how it is when you getting your hair braided and you get to that last like middle section and you like, come on. That's how I'm feeling right now. I'm in this little middle section and this is all I have left. So I'm about to run my brush through these curls and we are done with the style. And now all we have to do is dry it. Finally finished doing my hair, so now I'm about to go back in with a little more oil and just add it on my hair. A few little drops all around. So now that my hair is finished, I want to go ahead and do my makeup right now. So normally when I do that, I go ahead and put on a processing cap and let my hair plop. I think that's what it's called. So I'm gonna put my hair in this processing cap. Go ahead, do my makeup, and I'll see you guys when I get back.
2 hours later.
So here is the dryer that I'm using. It is the Hot Tools Felix dryer. And I also have my universal diffuser attached. I get a lot of questions about this. It is linked down in the description box below. I also got a question on why, like what's the purpose of it? Well, if I didn't have this attachment on and I just dried my hair would be just flying and going everywhere. With this diffuser attachment, it just basically holds all of that heat or cool air into one place and your hair isn't really moving. It just keeps your hair in the style that you're trying to achieve. So I love it much more than just using a regular dryer. All right, so here is what my hair is looking like. It has plopped for about 2-3 hours now. It's still really, really wet, but my curls are super defined. All right guys, so my hair is completely dry. Now you can see my style is still intact. If I would have just used the dryer without the attachment, my curls would have been all over the place. But right now they are just, y'all see them, like the curls and the coils are just. So now I'm getting ready to add some oil to the final style. You guys know I always add oil at the end of my styles. Give it a little shine. I don't even want to lift my roots, y'all. This is looking so good. Now I'm gonna go in with my rat tail comb and just kind of hide those parts that are on the sides of my hair and in the back, especially in the shorter areas. I also get questioned a lot about how do I make my hair like stand up at the top and in the middle. Back to the diffuser. I'm telling you, it works for everything. So all I do is grab my pick, stick it in like at the base of my hair, like right at the roots, lift up, and then use my diffuser to keep that area lifted. Now I don't have to do that, but for someone who has like a little bit of thinning or your hair isn't as thick or it doesn't stand as high as you would want it, definitely use the pick and diffuser method. So I think I've picked my hair out to my liking. I also used my rat tail comb, went up into the longer sections, just in the root area. My curls are looking so good, y'all. All right, guys, so I hope you enjoyed today's hair tutorial. If you did, be sure to give me a thumbs up. Also, subscribe to my channel and comment down below if you guys have tried this style or if you're gonna try this style or the product. And as always, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.